Introducing the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3090 OC Edition 24GB white version graphics card or eGPU. Take a flight with this limited edition of ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3090 features completely white colorway on top of all the generational improvements to the ROG Strix series. Now, your chance to build a high-end white theme gaming rig with the latest in graphics technology. The ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3090 OC Edition 24GB white version graphics card or eGPU has a engine clock, which are OC mode or overclock mode and gaming mode. The OC mode or overclock mode is it has a 1890 MHz of boost clock, and the gaming mode is 1860 MHz of boost clock, and it has a 10,496 CUDA cores with 24GB of memory size and GDDR6 of memory type, and also it has a 19.5 Gbps of memory speed with 384-bit of memory interface. And for the digital max resolution on this graphics card or eGPU is it has a 7680 by 4320 at 60 Hz. And for the output is it has 3 DisplayPorts 1.4a and 2 HDMI 2.1, and it has a 4 maximum displays. And for the dimensions of this graphics card or eGPU is it has 12.53 by 5.51 by 2.27 inch and 31.85 by 14.1 by 5.78 cm. And for the recommended PSU for this graphics card or eGPU is it has 750 watts. And for the power connectors is it has 3 8-pin power connectors with 2.9 slot, and it has a NVIDIA Ampere architecture, which is the all-new NVIDIA Ampere architecture delivers the ultimate play featuring advanced second-generation ray tracing cores and third-generation tensor cores with greater throughput. RTX its own experience today's biggest blockbusters like never before with the visual fidelity of real-time ray tracing and the ultimate performance of AI-powered DLSS. It has also a DLSS acceleration, which is a NVIDIA DLSS groundbreaking AI rendering that boosts frame rates with uncompromised image quality using the dedicated AI processing tensor cores on GeForce RTX. This gives you the performance headroom to crank up settings and resolutions for an incredible visual experience. The AI revolution has come to gaming. Victory measured in milliseconds with NVIDIA Reflex delivers the ultimate competitive advantage. The lowest latency, the best responsiveness, powered by GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs and NVIDIA G-Sync monitors. Acquires target faster, react quicker, and increase aim precision through a revolutionary suite of technologies to measure and optimize system latency for competitive games. Up your creative game, which is to take your creative projects to a new level with GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs, delivering AI acceleration in top creative apps, backed by the NVIDIA Studio platform of dedicated drivers and exclusive tools, and built to perform in record time whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, editing 8K video, or live streaming with the best encoding and image quality. GeForce RTX GPUs give you the performance to create your best. You can stream like a boss, which is to steal the show with incredible graphics and smooth stutter-free live streaming. Next generation hardware encoding and decoding combine to show off all your best moments in exquisite detail. And the all-new NVIDIA Broadcast app gives you powerful AI capabilities to improve audio and video quality with effects like virtual background, webcam auto-frame, and microphone noise removal, so you can give your audience your best every time. It has also DirectX 12 Ultimate, which is the developers can now add even more amazing graphics effects to Microsoft Windows-based PC games. GeForce RTX graphics cards deliver advanced DX12 features like ray tracing and variable rate shading, bringing games to life with ultra-realistic visual effects and faster frame rates. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a axial thick upgrades, which is axial thick fan design is optimized for a new larger heatsink that features more fins and surface area than last gen. The blade count is increased on all three fans with 13 on the center fan and 11 on the auxiliary fans. The barrier ring on the side fans is slimmed down to allow for more lateral intake and to provide better airflow through the cooling array. The center fans, extra blades, and full height ring provide boosted static pressure to blast air directly into the GPU heat spreader. And it has also a new directions, which is to bolster the specialized rules for the center and auxiliary fans. The rotational direction of the center fans is reversed. This reduces air turbulence inside the cooling array for another boost to overall thermal performance. The fans is also shut off completely when the card power consumption is low and the GPU temperature falls beneath 50 Celsius, keeping noise levels down when the system is idling or under a light load. And it has also a max contact, which is to get heat up of the die and into the heatsink array. Engage max contact technology to polish the surface of the heat spreader and improve smoothness at the microscopic level. The extra flatness allows for better contact with the die for enhanced thermal transfer. And it has a 2.9 slot design, which is the heat spreader draws heat up into heat pipes that carry it through a fin stack that fills a large 2.9 slot footprint. Increasing the heatsink size compared to the last generation provides more thermal headroom to account for the new high-performance chipset. With premium components, which is the top-shelf capacitors, chokes, and MOSFETs are selected to effortlessly deliver hundreds of watts at a millisecond's notice. The super alloy power 2 parts are soldered to the PCB using a advanced extreme automated manufacturing process. Smooth joints on the rear of the PCB and the elimination of human errors ensures each graphics card meets rigorous specifications. And it has also a fan connector, which is the rear of the ROG Strix graphics card sports two PWM fan connect headers that provides additional DIY flexibility. And the chassis fan can be directly attached to the GPU and tuned with a curve that is based on CPU and GPU temperatures, providing a extra intake or exhaust for demanding 3D tasks. The white version on this graphics card or eGPU, which is the shroud fans, metal accents, and backplate are carefully color matched to give the Strix an aesthetic tailored for ice white builds. And this graphics card or eGPU, its color out back, which is flipping the card around, reveals more design improvements. A wide backplate vent in certain PCB allows hot air to escape towards chassis exhaust fans of being recycled by the GPU's circulating cooler design. A GPU bracket provides extra stability to the critical connection between die and heat spreader. The I/O bracket is made from stainless steel to protect ports and provide a more secure mount. A conveniently placed dual BIOS switch allows quick selection between performance and quiet mode for basic customization of the card's default behavior without software. And it has a functional front, which is a careful attention has been paid to the front of the GPU, and it's the most visible parts of the card in typical configurations. An addressable RGB element can be customized with Armory Crate to create a uniform look along with other ROG components. To fulfill the power demands of the GeForce RTX, 3 8-pin power connectors are present along with an onboard circuit that monitors PSU rail voltage. The circuit is fast enough to catch any transients that result in the rail voltage dropping to low. If that happens, a red LED will light up to indicate a power supply issue. The Strix reinforced metal frame is also visible here, adding a lateral layer of durability. And this graphics card or eGPU it has a software which is a GPU Tweak 2. And the ASUS GPU Tweak 2 utility takes graphics card tuning to the next level It allows you to tweak critical parameters including GPU, core clocks, memory frequency, and voltage settings, with the option to monitor everything in real time through a customizable on-screen display. Advanced fan control is also included along with many more features to help you get the most out of your graphics card. So that's it for the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3090 OC Edition 24GB white version graphics card or GPU. Thank you so much for watching. This is AMPo Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.